Rethik and I'm the team leader of Health AI Explorers. I hail from Indian School Alain and study in the 8th grade.
I'm Rakshit from Indian School Alain. I'm in 8th grade.
Hi guys, I am Reuben from grade 8 ISA.
I am Alroy and I am from grade 7.
Today, we are excited to showcase our video presentation on the topic Revolutionizing Healthcare with AI. As a team, we have worked to research, design and develop our project, and we are thrilled to have this opportunity to share our work with you. So without further ado, let's dive into our demo. Why we chose this topic? When my team and I were discussing potential project ideas, we knew we wanted to choose something that would have a positive impact on society. We considered a range of issues from environmental sustainability to social justice, but ultimately, we decided on revolutionizing healthcare with AI. The healthcare system is far from perfect, and with an aging population and rising costs, it's under more pressure than ever before. We believe that AI has the potential to transform healthcare by predicting and preventing diseases, improving patient outcomes, and reducing costs. For instance, AI-powered medical devices can help doctors diagnose illnesses faster and more accurately, while virtual assistants can provide personalized care to patients at home. Traditional medicine has been based on a one-size-fits-all approach, where the same treatment is applied to all the patients with the same disease, regardless of individual differences such as genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors. With the assistance of AI, precision medicine can analyze vast amounts of data such as genomic information, medical records, and environmental factors to identify patterns and develop personalized treatment plans. This approach has the potential to lead to more effective treatments, reduce side effects, and improve patient outcomes. AI can help by providing advanced data analytics and machine learning algorithms to analyze patient data, identify patterns and insights, and develop predictive models to inform personalized treatment decisions, which in turn helps in reducing the doctor's valuable time and reduces fatality. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data such as genetic and molecular information to identify potential drug targets, generate novel drug candidates, and predict their properties. Predictive analytics algorithms can identify patterns and risk factors that may indicate a patient's likelihood of developing a particular condition or experiencing a specific health outcome. Moving on to section 2, we have the workflow of AI in healthcare. A brief on how all this works. It starts with data observation and collection, followed by data interpretation. Then AI uses deep learning to build models, which are then analyzed and treated. Finally, section 3 covers the benefits, limitations, and recent trends in AI in healthcare. The benefits of AI in healthcare include personalized care and treatment, accelerated drug development, improved patient outcomes, and increased accessibility in remote areas. However, there are also some limitations to consider, such as the lack of transparency in decision making, ethical concerns, and inherent biases, technical complexity, concerns over data privacy and security, and difficulty in integrating with existing healthcare systems. Finally, we highlight some of the recent trends of AI in healthcare, such as medical wearables, stem cell research, 3D organ modeling, medical drones, and global biobanks. In conclusion, AI has potential to revolutionize healthcare in countless ways, from improving patient outcomes to reducing healthcare costs. As the healthcare industry continues to evolve, AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of healthcare. And as students, we want to do our part in creating a better, more equitable future for all. Thank you and have a nice day.